Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple, only one row repeat crochet shell stitch baby blanket pattern, or you can make it little. You can use this pattern for your motifs. It's so simple, only one row repeat. We make here only double crochet and treble crochet. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. If my video comes so speedy for you, please you can see here on the right of the screen 3 dots. Please click them and slow me down. Okay. I use in this blanket. This is reversible actually. This is back side, but of course front side are shells more visible. Okay, you can see that easily are shells like that. I use here size category 2 fine yarn, and this is multicolor 100% of cotton yarn. I use here 4mm hook. With this pattern you can choose which yarn you want, but I want to show you an acrylic yarn. Again, this category is, I think, again 2. Here you can see that thicknesses. I use again 4mm hook. Again, I say you can adapt your hook and yarn which you want. It's so simple, I promise that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our crochet shell stitch. So simple, the easiest baby blanket. It's no, it hasn't got any big holes, so you can use this pattern both time. You can use cotton yarns and make your blanket for summer or spring. You can use wool or acrylic yarns for fall and winter. Okay, it's for all seasons. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our crochet shell stitch blanket pattern. Let's start crochet. We start our pattern with magic ring like that. Then grab my yarn and chain 3. Count as my first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert that hole, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make one more double and make one more double. So I have here 3 double crochet. Then chain 2, yarn over, insert that hole again and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We will make 4 sets with 3 double crochet. Between of them chain 2. Chain 2, yarn over and make 3 double crochet more. 1, 2, 3, and pull that yarn a little and close my hole. Chain 2 and make my last 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Then pull that yarn tightly, close my hole. I want to start on corner, so yarn over, because between of them I made chain 2. Chain 2 is equal to half double crochet. If I made here chain 1, I will make single crochet. If I make between of them 3 chains, I need to make double crochet. I made here chain 2, so I need to make here half double crochet. Yarn over. I insert the top of that chain 3 here. Insert my hook. Grab these 2 yarns together, okay, because I want to lock my center. I have 3 loops, pull through all together and make here half double crochet. I'm on the corner, so I can start on the corner again. Chain 3, count as my first double. Then yarn over and add here 2 more. 1 and 2. Our corners always 3 double, chain 2, 3 double. Okay. Then I have here 1, 2, 3 stitches. I insert the second off, grab my yarn, I have 2 loops, pull through all together and make single crochet. Then yarn over and come to next corner, make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and make 3 double crochet in the same space. 2, 3. Then join this corner on the second stitch with single crochet. Yarn over, come to next corner, make here 3 double, chain 2 and make 3 double, join this corner on the second stitch with single crochet, come to third corner, 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double, 2, 3, join this corner with single crochet on the second stitch, come to first corner, we made here 3 double crochet and complete my corner with 3 double crochet. This time not make chain 2 because I want to keep crocheting on the same corner. Yarn over, insert the top of that chain 3 and join with a here 3 loop on my hook, half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, this is my first double, and again make corners first 3 double crochet. Then always, this is repeating row, you will always repeat this row, it's so simple. Join your 3 double crochet, join your corner on the second stitch with single crochet. Then yarn over, we made here single crochet previous row, insert that single crochet, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops. I will make here treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1, yarn over, insert into the same single crochet, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 3 treble in the single crochet stitch. Then join these triples next group's second stitch with single crochet. Yarn over, come to corner and make here 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Then join this corner on the second stitch here with single crochet. Then yarn over and come to single crochet, make here 3 treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, make 1 more, 1, 2, 2, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Join these triples on the second stitch with single crochet again. Yarn over and make your corner. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 double crochet again. Then join these on the second stitch with single. When you come to single, make 3 treble. Join this 3 treble with single crochet on the second stitch, then make your corner. I complete this round and turn to you. I come to end and join these 2, 3 double crochet sets with half double here, insert the top of that chain 3, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops on my hook, pull through all together and make my first corner, chain 3, add here 2 more double crochet. This is the half of my first corner. Then always do the same thing. When you get out the corner, join this corner on the second stitch with single crochet. Yarn over, you see single crochet previous rows. Make here 3 treble. 1, 2, 3. When you finish these triples, join this triple here on the second stitch with single crochet. Yarn over, I see here single crochet, make here 3 treble. 1, 2, 3. Join these triples on the second stitch with single crochet. Then yarn over and come to corner, make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. Then you join this on the second stitch with single crochet. I come to the single crochet, make 3 treble. When you see single crochet, you will make 3 treble always on the single crochet. Okay, previous row single crochet. Then both of them triples and the corners, join them on the second stitch with single crochet. That's the pattern. Always doing the same thing. That's so simple. Join it with single crochet. When you come to corner, make your corner. You can make it bigger like that, or you can use this little square motif which you want. You can join them with corners and the middle stitch of these 3 triples. Okay, that's so simple. Only one row repeat. You can do that easily and you can make it so fast. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. And you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.